guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can remove notification virus from your Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. So at the start, if you see something like that in your notification bar, if you're trying to visit any site or just on your home screen, that means you have a notification software, and we can try to remove it without antivirus app yet. So open the settings, then go to the apps and look for your web browser. Now just tap on it, choose the storage and manage storage. Now tap on the clear all data and click OK. Then go back to the apps and check that you have any unwanted app here, or just app that you not installed before. Then Then check your web browser to check that it's free from the notification virus. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. So in my case it will be Avast, so we have to launch it now. Just tap on the get started, next and skip. Now close this window and again close this window and click on the continuous free. Now just tap on the start scan and allow permissions. Go back to the Avast and choose your type scan. I will choose the regular scan, and now I was looking for the viruses on your device. After that it will be deleted. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.